Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samir Fatma and you are watching Learning from Sam's Academy. This video is only for educational purpose, don't use for wrong purpose. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make certificate in mobile by using Canva application. If you wanna make money on Fiverr, you can use this ready-made template and make money. Now start today video. Open Canva application. Explore Canva. You can see there are different categories present, but today our topic is how to make certificate. Select the certificate option. Here is the certificate option. You can see different category here is also present, like award certificate, diploma, work certificate, employee of the month certificate. You can choose according to your requirement. You can easily edit and make according to your requirement any certificate. Today we want to make employee of the month certificate. Select this one. You can see here is also different type of different category, different style employee of the month certificate present. Choose anyone and edit it. We choose this one, this one. Here is the edit option. You can add, you can edit any font color, font size and font. Just tap the double tap on anything and any box and edit it. Now you can see we can add this, we can double tap here and adjust the image. Also changes color. I want to make reddish pink. This one, employee of the month. This token cafe award goes to, want to edit this option. Here we type the name of the employee. Here if we want to change date and month, we want to change, obviously award is previous month, so we type here 25 day of March 21 ईयर. यहाँ पे हम चेंज करेंगे. here we change year. here we cafe owner Sam, branch manager Sheen. Now if you change color of this, then you can go here and choose brand color. This one I want to make this one. Say the size, font sign change here. Okay, it's look like good sound. Now we change if you want to make any change. This one also change this color, brand color. This one, it's look like nice. Now the edit option is completed. Here is the template download option. Select this one. You can see here is different option how to we want to save it. Save Transparency. If you like my video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.